What if I told you the first warning signs of liver trouble don't show up in your stomach, but in your feet? Many people walk around every single day with clear symptoms and never realize their liver is begging for help. Today I'll show you the surprising foot signals that can reveal hidden liver problems long before blood tests do. Hey guys, today we're going to use the foot as a surprising diagnostic window into your liver. And before we start, this is not a replacement for real medical tests. Only a doctor can diagnose liver disease. What I'm giving you today are helpful clues, signals in your feet and lower legs that often appear long before major symptoms develop. The feet give incredible insight into liver health because they're the farthest point away from your heart. When circulation is poor, which often happens when the liver is struggling, you'll see it here first. The blood has to travel all the way down and back, so any weakness in the vascular system shows up in your legs and feet before anywhere else. One of the earliest signs is the appearance of red or brown discoloration on the lower legs. These spots can be tiny specks or larger patches. They sometimes come with a shiny or thin-looking skin surface. While they can be caused by diabetes or vascular damage, they frequently appear in people with long-term liver congestion or fatty liver. These red and brown dots come from weakened blood vessels. When the liver struggles, the blood becomes thicker, circulation slows, and the tiny vessels in the lower leg lose integrity. They leak small amounts of blood or pigment, creating those speckles. It's one of the clearest external signs your liver isn't filtering well. Another common indicator is spider veins, thin web-like veins usually in the lower legs. These often appear when the liver can't properly process estrogen. Excess estrogen weakens the vascular walls, making varicose veins and spider veins more visible. This is especially common in people with fatty liver or early-stage cirrhosis. Most people don't realize the liver is responsible for clearing excess hormones from the body. When it's overworked, estrogen builds up, even in men. High estrogen doesn't just affect mood or weight, it impacts blood vessels dramatically. So when you see new spider veins or varicose veins, it's worth considering your liver as part of the picture. Cracked heels are more than just dry skin. They often point to vitamin B3 deficiencies or omega-3 fatty acid deficiencies, both of which depend heavily on proper liver function. When the liver can't produce enough bile, you simply don't absorb fats or fat-soluble vitamins well, and your skin begins to suffer, especially on the heels. The liver plays a key role in breaking down fats so your body can use vitamin A, E, and omega-3s, all essential for healthy skin. When bile production is low, the skin becomes rough and loses elasticity, beginning with the thick skin on the heels. Cracked heels can be one of the first visible signs of poor fat absorption. If you frequently feel itching on the bottom of your foot, this can signal backed up bile or a congested liver. When bile doesn't flow properly, histamines increase, and they often manifest as itching in very specific areas, including the feet. Many people misdiagnose this as allergies when it's actually liver-related. Many people assume foot pain, especially in the arch, means plantar fasciitis, but when the liver is inflamed or congested, toxic byproducts can irritate nerves connected to the bottom of the foot. This can mimic plantar fasciitis, but doesn't respond to normal treatments. The pain tends to be worse in the morning and improves slightly with movement. Hot feet at night are another overlooked liver symptom. When liver detox pathways slow down, inflammation rises and circulatory patterns change, especially in the lower legs. That heat sensation, burning, tingling, or warmth, is often a subtle sign that the liver is under stress and struggling to filter the blood efficiently. Bad foot odor isn't just a hygiene issue. When the liver cannot detox properly, toxins escape through the skin. Combine that with poor digestion and slow kidney function, and you get a strong odor coming from the feet. The worse the odor, the more overloaded the detox systems tend to be, especially in people with high sugar diets. Pitting edema happens when you press a finger into the lower leg and a dent stays there. This indicates fluid retention, often caused by liver congestion. When the liver can't manage protein and fluid balance, fluid leaks into tissues, especially the lower legs. This isn't normal aging, it's a major circulation and liver warning. Toenail fungus is extremely common in people with liver problems. When the liver is weakened, the gut microbiota shifts, leading to yeast and fungal overgrowth throughout the body. That's why conditions like dandruff, psoriasis, and toenail fungus often appear together. They're part of the same internal imbalance. A healthy nail has a small white moon-shaped area called the lunula. When circulation declines, often due to liver or vascular stress, this moon fades or disappears. The nail bed may turn white as blood flow decreases. This symptom